Shabash. Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira? So like I just said, we did cross 10,000 landmark on this motorcycle, and this has been a huge moment. Thank you so much 6R Greninja for making my mile so enjoyable. And with that, I'm gonna talk about the best part about this motorcycle, right? So the best part about this motorcycle is, honestly speaking, everything. There's any flaw or something in this motorcycle, right? Which is absolutely the best part. And then apart from that, this one entire ship of ownership, right? It's been an amazing journey. In 10,000 kilometers, hardly what I've done is regular basic oil checkups and then basic sort of things and all, right? And 10,000 kilometers, I don't know how exactly this thing flew. The largest I've done on this motorcycle was Bangalore to Hampi ride. So there is a situation where I went for longer distances as well. And apart from that, spent a lot of time doing the Hyderabad-Bangalore road itself, to be honest. That is something which I've done multiple times, and crazy a number of times. Crazy, you would have seen the entire vlogs as well in the previous videos that I've uploaded in my channel. So the best part about this motorcycle, right, I mean, it is very lightweight, and that is the best part. 196 is the stock, and after I put the exhaust as well, that has come down to another 5 or 6 kgs easily, which means that we are talking about 1 under 190, which is a huge thing, right? And then apart from that, it is actually properly meant for racetrack, and this is actually completely a raw bike as well. It doesn't have too much of electronics or too much of dramas and everything. It has ABS, it has 3-level traction control, which can be turned off completely. And then of course, you also have 2 power modes. One is low and one is full power mode. So those are something which is there. And if you remove those things, and if you remove the ABS, right, if you remove the number plate and if you remove the mirror, this is going to be a proper race bike, all right. And it is very good as well. And this motorcycle is not at all that intimidating for someone who's actually upgrading to a super sport, because this motorcycle is completely top and heavy, and it's not going to throw you apart like some other lady classes does, and it is super light on its feet, can you see? And that is something which is there. And talking about the service front as well, service is also pretty cheap. It's not that they're going to charge too much. Of course, premium bikes should be under 10k every service that you do put together. And some of the accessories you already know that I've put on the motorcycle, that is mandated when you buy a lightweight motorcycle especially. And then of course whatnot, that is one thing, right? And then with that, you actually get a lot of chance to enjoy this motorcycle to the fullest. But one flaw that I felt about this motorcycle is, right, you don't get a chance to ride and enjoy as much as possible when you're not actually in the traffic, because this riding position is very aggressive. See, I'm actually almost sleeping on the bike, right? You also saw me riding the other bikes like Booza or whatever other motorcycle. And the best part is, even though this is aggressive, it actually demands slightly more fitness than you expect, which is obvious for any sort of super bikes that you ride, because with the gears and with the riding position and everything, right, you might have to be slightly fitter, which I was before when I got, but I've put on a lot of weight, which I'm working really hard on gym every single day, burning a lot of calories and everything. So that is in progress. And apart from that, there's no flaw at all. The only thing is aggressiveness. And apart from that, the pillion seat doesn't come as an accessory in this motorcycle, so you might have to get that. And even though if you get that, you might have to deal with playing with the subframe that you already saw. So with that, trust me, this motorcycle doesn't have anything that is bad at all. So with that, that was my experience with 1.5 years. I got it in Jan last year, 2020. So I'm gonna hit 2 years in next Jan. So with that, I hope you enjoy this vlog of 10,000 kilometer review on the motorcycle. and every single kilometer that I've clocked with the motorcycle, I had an amazing time, amazing fun. And this motorcycle, I'm also planning to do it, take it to Goa as well. Hopefully I do it someday. It's just that the luggage thing is slightly a problem, but with that, let's see how things will plan out in the near future. Yeah, with that, folks, I'll try to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this concept of talking about the 10,000k videos and whatever, right? If you have any follow-up questions about anything that you do want about the motorcycle, you should be able to see it in my channel. But in case if you think that I've missed anything, feel free to comment down below. Happy to take those questions and answer as well. All right, thank you so much for taking your time, guys. Have a good one. Bye.